Hi everybody, it's Crystal. Thank you for joining me on my channel, Bagoday Crochet. If you have not yet subscribed, please do. We have a lot of fun here. It's all things yarn and crochet related, and I have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of crochet tutorials for you to learn from, and lots of yarn content that we like to talk about and discuss as well. And I love to have you join our nice community. So today I'm going to show you some mystery bags I'm super excited to get. So have you guys heard of the online yarn company WEBS or yarn.com? It's the same store. They had mystery bags the other day for the very first time that I've ever seen. So I'm opening mystery bags for the first time I always love first time mystery bags from a yarn company that I bought from WEBS many times. Of course, I love WEBS. WEBS is a great online yarn store, and but I seen that they had mystery bags. So, and I was like, if you know anything about me, I love mystery bags of any kind, but I still really love yarn mystery bags, especially from companies that I never bought them from before. So they had what these were their closeout yarns, you know, that they have there. They were having a special where they put so many of them in a mystery bag for a certain amount of money. So I think I got 3. I don't even know if they have them anymore because I think it was a special. But you know what? Sign up to their mailing list because they got great deals and they could have these mystery bags again as well. But I saw them. I'm like, oh, that's super cool. It said they would choose from their closeout yarns a certain amount depending on how much you wanted to spend. So I think I got 3 mystery bags here. I'm super excited. I don't know if they're going to be separate or if they're going to be all together, but we will see. Now their closeout yarns can be, it can be any weight. That's the way it is with any mystery bag. It's mystery. So I could be looking at 1 weight, 7 weights. You never really know what you're going to get in a mystery bag. But I'm excited. Oh, and they're separate. They're separate. So let's look, shall we? Okay, so I only got 2. Okay, so I guess I only got 2. 2 it is. 2 of them, so I could see if they were going to be the same or not. So I bought $50 mystery bags. I think they had 35, maybe 40, or 30, 40, and 50. I can't remember what they had. But anyways, I got 2 of the $50 ones so we could see what was in them and if they were going to be the same or not. So they put them in the brown paper bag. The brown paper bag of mystery. I'm excited. I'm really excited. Let's see what we got here. That smells like wool to me. I like this yarn. This is Novita. It's 7 Brothers, but you know what? It's usually pretty thin and I can't use it. Oh, that smells so good. I love wool. But this is an Aran weight. I'll be able to use it. It's a 4 weight. And I got 2 of them. I think it's actually, you're supposed to make socks with it. Yeah, they got like a sock thing here. But you can make whatever you want with it. It says 1 ball makes a pair of women's socks. Nice. So I got 2 of those. I like this yarn. I really do. I've had it before. I think it's beautiful. I love the white. It's 218 yards of a 4 weight. So in Aran weight, which is about 4 weight. Nice. I won't make socks with it. Socks are not my friend. But so I got those 2. Oh, look at that. That is my colors. Oh my gosh, WEBS. You picked me out to a T. Oh my gosh, if I've ever seen a yarn that was a Bagoday colors, it's that one right there. That is gorgeous, but man, it's so small. It's fingering. That's okay. It's called Plymouth Reserve. It's 70% superwash fine merino, 10% cashmere, and 20% nylon. Smells clean. Oh wow, that's really pretty. 400 yards. It's so little. It's so teeny tiny. It hurts my hands to use. That is a beautiful, beautiful hank of yarn. I like that. Nice. Okay, let's see what else I got in here. What's this stuff? Adrifil, Adabetta. Now I've heard of this brand of yarn. I've had it before. I never had this variety. It's kind of looks a little bit like chunky. I like yarns like that. That's beautiful. Smells clean. Actually, they start to just kind of smell like wool. I think it's from this because this has such a strong smell of wool, which I love. It's 50% wool and 30% acrylic, 20% viscose. It's nice. It's cute. It's cute. It goes from thick to thin. Colors are pretty in it. I don't know the yardage on it. About 55 yards. So I got one of those. Let's see what else we got over here. And then we got this one, which is from Lang Yarns. It's soft. 105 meters. It's 65 viscose, 35 polyamide. So this is what this looks like. It looks like it could be about a 4-weight. I love the color. That's one of my favorite colors. A green right there. Mossy green or asparagus green or avocado green. Whatever. Nice. It's really soft. I like that too. Got another one here from Lang. This one. 50 grams, about 110 yards. And it's interesting the way it looks there. I'll show you. It's kind of a flat taped style yarn. It's a pretty color. What's the yardage on this one? 100% cotton. It's not bad. It's not bad. Okay. I think I got 2 of those, but just different colors. I did. But the colors are very beautiful together. I like those colors together. So I had about, 110 yards in each. I don't know what I would make with that. You know, probably a bag or something would work well with that. Or a little basket. Those are really pretty together, I think. Peach and brown. Or it's kind of a light pinky peach. Beautiful. I like those. I'm still going. Oh, King Cole Drifter. I like King Cole Drifter. I used to have some of this. This is a DK weight, which is a lightweight number 3. Stands for double knit. It's 25 cotton, 6 wool, 69 premium acrylic, 329 yards in there. That's nice. It's nice and soft. Smells like wool. Because I got 2 of those, the exact same. Nice. I got one more ball in here. Ooh, it's a cake. Oh, it's King Cole Curiosity. I like the Curiosity. I do. It's beautiful. Isn't that pretty? I've had this before. This is DK as well. The lightweight number 3. Nice. 100% premium acrylic. 524 yards. That would be a very pretty hat and scarf set. Or one big long super scarf. Since it's a lightweight 3. I think that would make very easy to color control with those light stripes. So that was one mystery bag. Let's see, I got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 balls. So that averaged $5 a ball, which is fine by me. That is so pretty. Let's look at the next one. One more. It could possibly be the same. And if I get another one of these, I won't be disappointed. I won't even be disappointed if it's the same. Oh, I got 2 more of the whites. That's okay. I just love these for the smell. I get to go to sleep smelling these all day long. They smell like straight up wool. That's the same white ones that I got in the other one. Oh, I dropped one. Oh, I dropped another. My bag dripping. Okay, what's this? Oh, I got some Nako. That's beautiful. Oh, it's lightweight too. It's pretty though. I like it. And then this Nako is 100 grams, 550 meters, so over 600 yards. You know that's lightweight. That's lighter than the other one. It's roving style. That's very beautiful. I'll never be able to use that though, but that is pretty. I like that one. So I got that one. And then I got 3 more of these cotton ones. Black, orange, and kind of a light gray that I got in the other one. And then I got another one of these that I got in the other one. I like it. It's very pretty. So, oh, I got 2. Did I get 2 of those in the last bag? No, I got 2 of them in this bag. So I got 3 total, I think. I don't know. This bag was ripped, so it started falling. It started just falling out everywhere. It's really neat. It's like chenille kind of. It's very pretty. And then, ooh, I'm not a fan of this one. But hey, it's the way she goes with a mystery bag. Pom-pom yarn. That's okay. Not a fan of the pom-poms, but I'm not disappointed either because I know that's how it rolls with mystery bags. So this is about 110 yards of polyester pom-pom yarn. You know what? Though this would be kind of cute at the bottom of, I'm planning on making Ellen a sweater at the bottom of her sweater or something. But I'm really not into using it. So I love it all. I think I did really good. I think it was neat having them pick it out for me. So I love the 4 balls of the white. This one is by far my favorite. I just wish it was a 4-way. I would definitely make a hat out of it. But I can't. I can't use it. It's too light. It's too light. My hands will hurt. It is pretty though. It might be worth it for my hands to hurt for a couple days to make. I think for those of you that use like 1 and 2 weights, is 400 yards enough to make a hat out of it? I don't know because I don't use yarns that thin, so I have no idea. You can let me know in the comments if you use. This is. It looks kind of like a. It says it's a fingering, but I don't know. There you go. Is 400 yards of that enough to make a hat? If I do a pretty basic hat, you know, nothing special. You guys can let me know. I like that. And I like these. But I think I really like the peach and brown combo together. I might make a little ornamental basket or something out of that. Or I've had some people been asking me to make a water bottle carrier. I think that this yarn would work really well for it because it's cotton. And it being kind of it's a ribbon type. Chain spun ribbon type style yarn, so of course you wouldn't have to use this yarn. Any yarn that of equivalent weight would work, but I think that would work well. Love these. Absolutely love the Curiosity from King Cole. I like everything I got. It's all very beautiful. I'm very happy with it. So what fun, what fun. Make sure you sign up to WEBS mailing list because they might have these again. I'm going to see if they have this in their clearance section or their closeout section. And maybe if I can get another, I could put them together. I'll check it out. But anyways, thanks everybody for watching. I know I always appreciate you guys watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. It means so much to me. I love you all. I'll see you on my next video, okay? Take care.